Hi guys, this is Arshad Qureshi and welcome to my training channel again. And I hope you guys are doing practices which I'm posting for you guys on regular basis. And currently I'm in Oman. That's why you can see the table difference and environment different. Training here, providing training sessions to players. And today I have a very important but slightly tough practice for you guys. It may seem simple, but trust me, when you start doing it, it will not be easy. You can see I have a blue, we have pink, we have black. We are going to pot these balls and make some break, and we'll see that how many points we are going to make in this break. But before that, before we start this, what I would like you to do is subscribe my channel and start sharing my videos with your friends. There's the English playlist videos. If you haven't seen it, search my channel playlist. There is English language videos. All those videos are in English, and try to learn from it. There are queuing videos, and there are potting angle videos, all sorts of videos. And if you really want to make some special video for you on your request, let me know. I'll try to make a video on that topic, and then I'll upload it for you so you guys can learn. You guys can also join me in my online academy. Details, my contact numbers are there. Send me a WhatsApp message and you can get in touch with me, and I try to answer all the questions in comments by myself. But sometimes they are delayed because obviously I get busy, I'm sure I reply 99% of all the messages, and I do it myself. If you want to have a training session with me, visit my academy in Pakistan, in Islamabad. If you are in Oman, you can come now, join me. And if you want to invite me in your city, in your country, I'm open. I travel in different countries, different cities. And if you want to open a club, if you want to start your own snooker academy, do let me know. So let me start with this video, Ji. And today's video is very interesting. What we are going to do is just give me a second and we'll start this video in a second. Okay guys, so the target in this video is make 200 points, and we're going to pot 5, then 6, then 7, and we keep counting these points and we'll see that how many points we can make. But for the beginners, trust me, it is not an easy practice. You cannot achieve 200 points straight away. It will take some time. Give yourself a target of 50, then 100, then 150, then you can achieve 200. And but before doing this, make sure that you have done a good potting practice. Then you go into the position practices as well. This will improve your break building, and this will help you, understand where your white ball travels when you are applying different sort of spins or sides. So first shot I'm going to play is a soft screw shot. It will be soft stun screw shot. My white should come here and I should pot pink in the pocket. Place your white as you desire in a decent position, thicker angle, around 3/4 ball pot. Soft shot. No. Slightly lower on black, so no problem. In fact, that's a good angle for bringing my white ball back to blue. Okay. It's a thin shot, that's why I couldn't hold my white ball well. But still over the blue, and hold this blue in the middle pocket. Touch of left hand side, coming off one cushion. Okay. Slightly, because it was a thin shot, so when there is a thin contact, it's difficult to control your white ball. So whenever you're playing or thinking of making a good position, try to keep it like 3/4 ball or half ball pot. Thinner than this is always difficult to control your white ball. Okay. So you can see that it's a tricky practice but interesting practice. Okay. It's a decent shot. Slightly faster, but so. So these practices are not easy to perform, but it's fun to perform. Now I've made 19, 38 odd breaks, two of them. Yeah, total 38 breaks, two finishes, and then I'm still in a good position. I can pot blue coming off the cushion and on the ping. You can see that I was slightly out of position when the white ball's contact was slightly thin on the object ball. So if it was thicker, the way I started in the beginning, I kept my white ball on 3/4 ball board, played as two short, stance two, and then on the pink, and then on black. So this is the test of your ability, and also this is to enhance your ability. So don't be disheartened at the beginning that if you can't make it one time or two times or three times. Keep doing it. It takes a lot of time, a lot of practice, and a person who's even making 40, 50, 60 breaks, it'll be difficult practice for him as well. So I think we should wind up this video here. If you have any questions about this practice, or if you want to have a special video or special request, send me a message in my WhatsApp group. I have the numbers are there. It's my WhatsApp, or you can send me a message on my Facebook, even on in the comments. I always reply. And if you want to have any guidance or consultancy in creating your own snooker club or your own snooker academy, just let me know. I can help you out on one-to-one training session. Numbers are there. If you want to join my online academy, numbers are there. If you want to invite me to your club, to your country, numbers are there. So you can contact me. There are quite a few resources available to contact me. So thank you very much, guys. I'll be expecting your feedback on this and your questions. Take care. Bye.